Yes, hello. I welcome you to my today's wonderful lesson. Okay, let us have the revision that is versus the 2026 preparation. Okay, so we are given a question where we are saying solve the equation which is 2x minus 5, then it is raised to the power 2. The whole equation is equals to what? 9. So how are we going to solve out this? Okay, so remember this is under quadratic. So what we are going to do here is something that is very simple. I'm just going to rewrite the equation so that we can see very well. So I'm going to have the solution here. I'm going to rewrite the equation. I'm going to write 2x minus 5. Yes, we can see that is raised to the power 2 is equated to what? 9. Okay, so what we are going to do here is something that is very simple, guys. How we get rid of the power here, which is raised to the power 2, we are going to introduce the square root. This is power 2. If it was the power 3, we would have said the cube root of 3. So here, this is power 2. We are going to say the square root, like that. Once we introduce the square root this side, we are going to introduce also the square root this side. So this square root, it will kill the what? It will cancel the square. So the square root, it will cancel the what? The square. Are you seeing that? Then here, since we've just introduced the square root this side, we are going to have plus or what? Or minus. Guess we are seeing that? Okay, so our next procedure here, since the square it has killed the square root, it has cancelled the square, we are going to be just left out with the 2x minus 5. Guess we can see that. Then now is equals to, here the square root is plus or minus what? 3. Okay, so now our next procedure here, it is something that is very simple. We are going to have this negative 5 to this other side. Okay, the negative 5 to this other side, and now we are going to be remaining with 2x like that is equals to, I'm going to write this as positive 3. And once this does cross the equal sign, it will become what? To become positive 5. So I've had to just get the positive sign of 3 here. Guess you can see that. And I'm going to say oh, okay. And now I'm going to have 2x is equals to I'm going to get the negative value of 3, then now transpose this negative 5 to this other side is positive what? 5. You can see that? Okay, very good. So now what are we going to have next? What we are going to have, 2x is equals to this plus this, the answer it is what? 8. Or we are going to have 2x is equals to this plus this, the answer it is what? It is positive what? Sorry, the answer appears to be positive 2. Okay, so now what are we going to do? We are going to divided by 2 divided by what? By 2. Okay, so the 2, it is going to go like that, is equals to this into that, the answer we are going to have it's 4. Okay, or here we are going to divide by 2 divided by what? By 2. This cos x is equals to this into that, the answer we are going to have here, it is what? It is 1. Okay, so the answers here, the value of x is equals to 4, or the value of x is equals to 1. Okay, so that's the way on how we answer the question.